Hello and welcome to another B&W adventure where we're back at Universal Studios for another Halloween Horror Night construction update. We're going to go inside and see if we see anything new. Maybe there's some new props, some new stages. I'm excited. Let's go inside. We're 28 days away from the event, Halloween Horror Nights 32. Let's go inside and see if we see anything new. So we made it past the archways here, and they got these two lighting trusses here, which is going to have light which will be shining down on here to set the mood for Halloween Horror Nights 32. Yeah, right behind the arches here. So right when you come into the park, we have Dr. Oddfellow, a scare zone. So I wonder if they're going to have Halloween Horror Nights located right up there like they always do. This is further down by the Minions land, but this year it's right here. And it's a little bit smaller, but it looks like they got a stage there. They got some speakers, some lights, the lighting trust, and VillainCon 6 will be open during Halloween Horror Nights. Wow, that is cool. I wonder if they're gonna be up there yelling and screaming and scaring us. Could be also the ceremony that they have every season at the beginning of the year. That's really cool. Can't wait. So we made it over here in New York City. They got some motorcycles over here and they decorated it up all. And some motorcycles over here. They moved this lighting fixture that was in front of the store here. That used to be right here. They moved one over here. And they moved another one on the other side over there. And then, like I said, they got this camera up here. So I haven't done anything with this facade yet. But I wonder if it's going to shine a light over here on this stage here, because if you look real closely, you can see they have Dr. Oddfellow right in there. But yeah, look how cool this is, man. They got the speakers, the tamarines, there's a little bongos back there, a drum set that's covered up, some tie-dye, sheets, towels, some old hippie stuff. Got a guitar over here with the flower on it, a bass drum, and they got the benches sitting in here. Yeah, it's really cool. Even some rusted tin cans back there, and some over here. The rugs. And then, like I said, they got motorcycles over here, like 60s style. And then over here they have a bus. Let's go over there and check it out. They have a little stage over here, a little prop. Pardon the dust, but you can clearly see that it's part of Vamp 69. So yeah, they probably got some bodies in there. Some merchandise they sell. But we'll know real soon here. And then there's another one over there. And then here's that bus. And you guys remember this bus? It's been in several scare zones. There used to be a yellow bus in The Purge and Seed of Destruction. But now they got it all decked out in hippie styles. There's a little eyeball there. That is cool. Got some cases over here. Do not climb. Seems like it's a little off. It's basically like water paint. Yeah, that's cool. You see they still left the tape up here. Wonder if they have some kind of body in there eventually. So yeah, we made it into San Francisco and they got this crate here. And still nothing on these lighting trusses, speakers, lights. Same thing over here, just the trust. But yeah, they added this shipping crate here. And over here, still the same thing, but right down there, there's a fog machine right there. And then over here, they got something wrapped up over here. It makes you wonder what is in here. Something that they don't want the day guests to see. But yeah, it's all covered up. Lighting truss is still the same. Speakers, lights. But over here, they added some crates. And then if you look real closely, they have like a little boo hole there. So now I'm wondering if this bent truss is gonna be a crane instead of an anchor. Still nothing with that little truss. But yeah, little boo hole right there. And the same thing over here. Nothing really new over here besides those crates. So pretty much think that's going to be a crane. But nothing else new over here. Let's see if we can see anything else. And nothing new in San Francisco in the bar, so I'm not even gonna go back there. But yeah, everything's still the same over here. So we're gonna go over to Central Park now, see if we see anything new over there. I'll meet you over there. So we made it into Central Park, and now we know what this line was. It was for these bats hanging upside down here. Yeah, that is super cool. I can't wait to see this at night. And then they added a facade over here. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like it could take it off and have like a little boo hole. And then some crates here. And then some more crates over here. And facade. But yeah, this bent crate, they added something. Let's go down here and check it out. So yeah, it's a crashed airplane. A little nod from back in the day, because it says Universal Airways, and if you remember, they used to have the Universal Globe with the airplane flying around. So yeah, just a little nod to it, along with some greenery on it. I wonder if they're gonna add some more bushes over here. And then the foggers. We have foggers. But yeah, there's 3 bats there. I wonder if they're gonna hang some more on the line right here, because there's none over here. But there's 3 of them right down there. I can't wait to see this at night. This is gonna be one cool zone. This is the best scare zone. And then the facade over here, they added some green to it. So let's check it out and see what it looks like in the front now. We made it to the front. You can see they added some greenery there and some moss and some vines. I wonder if this is a fogger, but it's covered up in the greenery. Yeah, this is really cool, the moss. Somebody's gonna be up there. Probably some sacrifice. So let's go to Beverly Hills and see what we can see over there. How exciting is this? On my way to Beverly Hills, and then I turned to the right of me, and then our first restaurant right here at the Jungle. And then you can see in the back here, there's another one right there, like they had last year. So yeah, we had our first little food stand right here. So we went to Beverly Hills, and they added some more lighting. And then right down here, they got like something in a bag there. I wonder what it is. And then they finally decorated this one. But on this side over here, you can see the staples came out. So it's just like a little tarp. And then over here, they added a zodiac. Let's go over here and look at it. So yeah, they got a little stage here, and you can see it's got the scorpion and then a stage right here. Make sure you do not climb on it. That's what it says, do not climb. But yeah, they got a little stage here with the scorpion. That's really cool. And then they got another one down here, so let's go down here and check it out. So over here they have another stage, and you can see they have the scorpion. I wonder if they're gonna have somebody up here, but it don't look like it. Looks like there's a hole there. So I wonder if this arm moves, like they're gonna have some kind of flame or something right here, because like I said, you can see there's a hole right there. So I wonder if this thing's gonna move up and down, because it looks like it just kind of goes right over it. Yeah, the scorpion, little stage here. How cool is that? So that's it from Dark Zodiac. Two little props here. One here and one over there. And they finally hooked these lights up over here and added some more lights. Well, that is it for this Halloween Horror Night construction update. If you like what you saw, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification. We will be back at the end of the week to see if we could see anything else. How exciting was that? We saw a lot of cool things. The props, the Sagittarius and the Zodiac, the Scorpion, a new stage that they moved up. That's usually around like VillainCon. VillainCon will be open during the event. We saw the bus that we see multiple years. You remember it was in the Purge, it was in the Seat of Destruction. They painted it all hippie style. They got some motorcycles out there, guitars with flowers on it. Wow, how exciting. We saw some hanging bats. We saw the little nod to Universal Studios with the plane back in the day when they had the plane flying around and it said Universal Studios. But that's it. Until next week, if you like what you saw, hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button, and until the next video, I'll see you in the fog.